That's that then. Finally, all packed and ready to head up north, up country, go and see the family. Just one last thing to pack. Come on, you. Alright, are you going to be able to get in yourself? There we go. How's that? Seems like it's been, you know, quite a mad week or so getting ready for this, and I'm actually feeling really relaxed now. And you know, that's the thing, isn't it? You do all of that work ahead of time so that at the end, when it comes to it, it's all done. You can just chill. So that's it. So now me and the dog, we're just going to travel. I think we've got about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. It's not a massive drive, going to split it up. Hey, there's the sun. Oh, look at that. Woo! Man, that is a sight to see. That is a sight to see. Well, I'm here again, finally, after God knows how long. Costco. Actually, look at that, that's pretty damn close as well. Oh, look at that, right by the entrance. I think first things first, we'll let the puppy have a little bit of a wander, and then I can go and play. One off the list. Now, I need SD cards. The thing is, sometimes there's just too much choice, isn't there? But you know what? That's not a bad thing. The busiest aisle, alcohol. Oh, no. Done. Just got to try and fit it in now. That's the thing, isn't it? No space in there. Oh well, I'll find a way somehow. Done. There's bits on this route that I used to look out for, and this is one of them. Just fantastic open vistas from the M5 out across the countryside. Especially today, the view is stunning. It goes on for miles and there's little mists hanging in the valleys. Yeah, man. Pretty good. There we go. First sight of the Malverns. Must be in Worcestershire by now. Another thing you can see when you come up in Worcestershire, there's loads of trees that have mistletoe hanging from them. Balls and balls of it. For some reason, you get like a line as you come up the motorway. You get to this point, and then all of a sudden it's like, mistletoe! Ambulance. There's definitely more ambulances. Every time I'm on the road, I see at least one a day. I haven't seen this. There's actual smoke coming out the top of it. Huge. It's a big old beast. As I understand it, that is power generation from waste. It's one way of getting rid of it, I suppose. Look at this. He's still there, look. Good boy, Dudders. He's a good lad. See, all the way along, he keeps his eye on me, makes sure that he keeps me in eye contact. See? Good boy. He's as keen as I am to get out of the car. By the way, got it wrong. It's Gloucestershire we're in now, Gloucestershire. Well, we got 17 minutes left. Whoop, whoop. And then stand up. 17 minutes before I got to stand up. That'll do, that'll do, that'll do. Oh, end of the motorway. We're coming off. Sweet. Wow. This motorway island's all changed. It's got a lot wider, a lot more wider. The new road markings as well, which is always confusing. Always great fun. Wow! Oh, my word! They nearly didn't make it. Bloody hell. We've made it, duds. We've made it. We're here. So that's it. Cars are here. First bit has already been sunk, and yeah, Christmas begins. I'm not sure I'm going to do any more videos over the Christmas period. I'll see how it goes. I think I might just take a break and then join you back in the new year. So if I don't see you before the new year, have a great Christmas and very, very happy new year. And let's hope and pray that 2022 brings us a bit more of a relief, eh? Well, we all need that. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers, bye.